Colon detox. Are you healthy inside? The colon is one of the most important parts of the body responsible for keeping the entire system free from toxins. It works to swill out all the toxic wastes from the body, leaving the other organs functioning properly. However, when tons of toxins are present in the body, the colon may find it hard to eliminate all the wastes. Along with this failure, the colon will tend to cramp with toxins, and if this happens, malnutrition and all sorts of health risks may occur. To help your colon function the way it used to be, medical experts have considered colon detox. It is simply a process of removing all the toxins and mucus that may build up and grow in the colon. The process is not a simple matter though, but it is strongly considered by almost every medical expert, with the idea that colon detox can be capable of aiding the body to maintain a natural balance in good and bad bacteria. Aside from that, colon detox may aid in the production of enzymes and vitamins, as well as on proper absorption. There are more benefits to colon detox than what are mentioned above. Several studies have found out that when a person has a clean colon, he or she will have a clear, beautiful skin. Also, that person will grow strong and energetic. And much to your surprise, colon detox will make you feel healthy and trouble-free. Colon detox can be done in two possible ways. On one hand, a person can make his or her colon clean by eating nutritional and proper diet. Yes, diet plays a key role in colon cleansing, and this is because the food we eat can attract parasites and can build up as form of toxins if not digested by the system properly. For this reason, the colon detox diet restricts certain amounts and types of food. For instance, foods that are rich in fiber are strongly recommended. Aside from that, greater amount of fruits, legumes, seeds and nuts are said to be beneficial as they can help the food to move faster than usual, leaving the digestive tract free from particles that may attract mucus and parasites. On the other hand, colon detox can be applied through an artificial process. The process simply involved putting 4 to 7 gallons of water that is temperature regulated and filtered. In this way, the water is added to the system by infusing it into the rectum with the use of tube. Medical specialists have claimed that this special process of colon detox can flush the waste out from the body. Now, it is used for cases of serious constipation. It is important to note, however, that this process should not be applied regularly as it can pose certain threats to the large intestines. Whichever process you may want to consider for colon detoxification, you can be guaranteed to have a colon that is free from toxic wastes. However, just like the rest of detoxification processes, colon detox should be applied only with proper medical assistance.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.